Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Ahn Co. It's Tuesday, August 6th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. It was a very quiet trade today, but a little bit on the lower side. You saw corn and soybeans both try to fight their way back positive, but really just couldn't hold on with the wheat complex kind of collapsing on itself. And that's what we're going to deal with. Is the wheat is going to be one of those weaker links until we can get a story in corn and soybeans, because the wheat crop, winter wheat, good start to harvest. Everything seems to be yielding really well. We're going to start hearing about spring wheat yields before you know it. Everything seems to be looking really good. Crop conditions are good. And so it's going to be one of those weaker links here and drag this market down. So corn market down 1 1/4 on the day, soybeans down 3, but wheat complex anywhere from 2 to 9.5 cents lower on the day. That's where you saw the most pressure kind of weigh onto these markets. Very limited news today. Did get confirmation from China that they were asking not to buy or import U.S. ag products, so that was a little bit of a dagger. You did confirm in the midday model of anywhere from about 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain covering almost the entire Corn Belt, especially those drier areas in the 6 to 7 day forecast. Now that's 6 to 7 days out, so a lot can change before then, but it did get confirmed. So you just overall had a little bit of a weaker trend, and we're probably going to chop around until we get Monday's information data here at 11 o'clock from USDA. When you look at the meat markets, weaker tone for the most part as well. Feeder cattle came back just a little bit here with weaker corn, but for the most part, everything was weaker, especially hog market, as you continue to just have issues with China trade, hoping that you're going to see them come and buy our hog product, but really in the most part, if they're banning imports of U.S. ag, it might be a while before we see that. Outside markets look to be getting a rebound, but crude oil kind of flipped a switch, negative once again, down 80 cents on the day. U.S. dollar slightly positive, down market after being down hard yesterday, up almost 300 points today, so a lot of volatility when you look at that stock market, as people just do not know what to expect with this trade war between the U.S. and China. Moving forward, what we're going to be watching is just those weather models to see if they keep confirming that rain for parts of the driest areas like Illinois, and we'll be watching to see what that says. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.